Lot number 116 is a Lift King forklift. This is one of those piggyback forklifts that go in back of a truck. Now this thing has been out of service for over 2 years. It's been sitting right here in the same spot for over 2 years, untouched. Now it does nothing. I put my jump box on there and I hit the key. It's got the key and everything, but I can't get it to turn over. Now it does have power. Once you turn on the key, the fuel gauge moves, the light turns on. I can't make out the hours. There's a little light right here coming on, but I can't get it. Can't get it to do anything. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. Again, it's been sitting for a long time. It's been getting rained on. I could hear earlier, I could hear some power getting to the starter, but now I can't even hear that. So it's being sold as is. Mechanical conditions are unknown. The motor appears to be complete and it appears to be in good shape. I'm assuming this is a small diesel motor. I don't see the make anywhere. The motor appears to be complete. It's got the belt. The starter's right there. I'm gonna try and put direct power to the starter. See if we can make it. I hear the starter spinning, but it's not popping out. Let's see here. Let's try this. I can hear the starter spins, but I can't get it to turn or to pop out. No. Alright, so it's being sold as is. Mechanical condition is unknown. It appears to be complete and it shows plenty of wear and tear. It's got some spots of rust. It's got surface rust all around. It does come with the forks. 3 tires. One of them is flat. This one looks good. Holds air. This one right here holds air. But this side is flat. Right here. This one is flat and it looks like it's off the rim. The seat is bad. The weather got to it. Here's the PC number. Here's all the information. I got a picture of that. And I don't know what else to tell you. It shows surface rust. It appears to be complete. The working conditions are unknown. And the buyer is responsible for loading this. There will be no assistance here loading this. So if you buy it, get a flatbed tow truck, have it picked up. That would be your easiest bet. All right, well, there you have it. It's lot number 116. It's a piggyback forklift. Good luck.